How to return items on SHEIN. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open the SHEIN app or the website. You can use your browser as well. Here I'm choosing Google Chrome and I'm going to search for shein.com on the search bar. Now after searching for SHEIN on the search bar, it will lead you to different options. Tap on the SHEIN option available at the very first. Then you'll be led to the home page of the website. Then what you're going to do is we're going to tap on the message icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just tap on that message. Then you can see the option of order over here. Just tap on order where all your orders will be listed down. Now as I have not ordered anything right now, but when you order in this page at the bottom, you're going to find the off return item. So you have to click on it, and after you click on it, you have to select the item that you want to return. So after you select it, you have to give reason why you want to return the item. So after you provide the explanation, you have to select the return method, and after you do that, you can finally submit your application. And after your submit your application, it will verify the purchase with the seller, and then it will tell you if you're eligible to return the item or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.